Hello everybody, it's your boy, Aviation777. I know it's been a little while since I last made a video because I was a little sick these past couple days. And I just took a break from YouTube for a couple weeks, but guess what? I think this is the Delta A330-300. The new releases from December. I've been waiting for this since December, so this will be a really exciting airplane to open because I wanted this guy for a while. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Alright, let's dive into this box, man. I'm so excited for this one, man. I've been wanting this guy for quite a long time. Because I've flown this one a couple years ago. I'm not sure which one. When I flew to Spain, I flew it from Atlanta. But that was a really cool plane to fly on. But let's see inside. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, yeah. What? There it is. I'll check it out here. There it is. The NG models. Delta A330-300. Yo, I've been wanting this guy for such a long time, man. Dude, I'm just so excited to get one of these guys again. Alright, let's put everything out of the way. Alright, thank you, Diecast Airplane Store. Alright, let's dive into him. Alright, here it is. The long-awaited Delta A330-300. This is going to be so convenient for my airport because they fly a lot of these guys to Europe, especially to Amsterdam and Paris and all those ones. But also I want this guy for a long time. They do fly these to Tampa a lot from Amsterdam. Right now it's 4 daily from Tampa to Amsterdam, but in the late spring, I think in May, it's going to drop to 1 daily. This used to be a seasonal. It started back in October for the winter, but then I guess the demand from the route increased it to year-round service, which is really awesome because we need to see some more wide bodies in Tampa. I know they have British Airways, Virgin, and all those ones, but Delta is a good airline to have on the fleet. So yeah, let's get into him. All right, let's look at the box here. You got the Delta logo, Airbus A330-300. This is actually my first A330-300, an A330, which is really awesome. Registration November A15 November Whiskey. And it's the size of the box. Very nice box from NG. And then it's all the artificial stuff from NG. So let's get into him. All right, let's open it up. Let's take a look. Oh, wow. Oh, we got a little warning there. Here's the NG rewards card. This is a newer one, I think. Nice. All right, let's take her out. The moment of truth. My first A330-300. Wow. Holy smokes, this looks so beautiful. Wow. Oh, it has a lot of plastic seats. Wow. Wow, that is magnificent. Wow. That looks so beautiful. It just looks so crispy. The A330 mold from NG. This is my first A330, but I'm really impressed with it, man. Wow. Look at that, man. Such an exciting moment. Wow. I was just doing school today. I was doing math, but when this plane came in, I didn't realize it came today. But I'm just so excited to see it again and to have another Delta wide body in the fleet. So let's get into this guy right here. All right, here she is. The beautiful Delta A330-300. Wow. This looks phenomenal, man. I see no problems with this one. I mean, this is my first A330 from NG. Oh, not from NG, my collection. And it looks so beautiful in the Delta colors. Looks very excellent. Yeah. There you go. I'll get some extra details there. That looks really, really good. I'll tell the details in a little bit there, but just take a look at it, man. It looks so nice. Let's get into detail. Alright, starting at the cockpit windows of the A330, right there. This actually used to be one of the most advanced passenger jets in the world when it was built back in the 90s and 2000s. This was originally a Northwest A330-300. As you can tell, November Whiskey, this used to be an A330 from Northwest. Because Northwest, they had A330-200s and A330-300s in their fleet. And when they merged with Delta, they went with them, and they've been there ever since. So these guys have been flying with them for a while. It looks really good. Anyways, let's look into him. Alright, starting at the cockpit windows of the A330, very nice. And you got your windshield wipers, your nose cone right there, the SkyTeam logo, you got the L1 door, you got the really detailed landing gear, nose gear, you got your wires, and right there it's actually, I think it says E-tops right there because it's a twin engine jet and it needs to have E-tops across oceans. You got the beautiful Delta logo, got there in the letters. You got business class. This has the setup is a 1-2-1 configuration. It's one of the older business class Delta One suites on the the Delta fleet. So it's not like the newer ones on the 764 or on the 350, but it's still pretty nice. You got the L2 door. You got the Pratt & Whitney's. I'm not sure what kind of engines, what kind of Pratt & Whitney's these are on the A330. But these are Pratt & Whitney's because you can tell they don't have the engine spikes like the GE General Electric CF6 engines do. And then you got the wings here. You got the flaps, slats, speed brakes up there. And you got the middle section of the aircraft. I think this is like premium economy and rest of business class. And you got one of the antennas or the lights there. And the L3 door, got the Wi-Fi box. You got some more details on the wing there, very nice. And you got the fuel valves there too. And you got a couple more antennas, and then you go to the back of the plane. I think when I flew from Atlanta, Barcelona on this plane, I sat right here, right on top of the wing. I forget it was. I think it was 47A or 50 something. I was right here on the wing on this A330. Man, it's such a cool plane, this one. And then the registration is November 815, November Whiskey. And you also got your US flag right there. You got the really beautiful Delta widget tail. And then you got the aileron, the elevators right there. You got the APU in the back there. So yeah, there you go. This is the Delta Airlines A330-300. I'm really happy I picked this guy up. I bought it when it was on pre-order back in December because I thought this plane will sell out really quick because this is in the United States and a really popular jet that's in the market. So I bought him, and I'm really glad I did because I think I was one of the first people that received this plane. And it looks really magnificent. Shout out to NG for doing a really good job. This gonna look really good with my wide-body fleet on Delta because I only got the 767-400 and it's good, but I need a little more, so I'm really glad I got this A330. And unfortunately, the 757 I have that I just bought unfortunately got broken, but I can fix it, no problem, eventually. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video of this Delta A330-300 from NG. Really glad I got this guy, and it was really good to do a video today because I was doing school. And happy Valentine's Day to you guys. Enjoy time with your family and friends and share your love, and I hope you guys enjoy your passion and enjoy this video. Bye bye, have a great day, peace out.